Hello everyone, this is Akansha Hirani, founder and head psychologist at Comfort Conversations. We welcome you to the brand new series of Comfort Conversation where reflection meets resilience. And in today's episode, we'll be dealing with the period of motherhood. We'll be talking to a first-time mother who's dealing with stressors. I feel very delighted today to welcome Mrs. Neha Patil amongst us, who is the first-time mother, and she will be speaking on how has her journey been in this period of motherhood. And being the first time mother, we all know the stresses that the mothers go through, and also the postpartum depression or the stress that the mothers have. So I welcome Mrs. Neha Patil to this Comfort Conversation today. Hello Neha, it's pleasure to have you here with us on Comfort Conversation today. How have you been?
Yeah, I'm very well. Thank you so much, Akanksha, for having me here. And that was really kind of you to introduce me in a very well manner. Yeah. So,
Could you tell something about yourself to the
yeah,
audience?
yeah. So, I'm Neha Patil, and I'm basically from Kolhapur, Maharashtra, India.
Oh, okay.
And I've been living in here in Sweden from last 5 years with
Hmm.
my husband.
Hmm.
So the reason why I'm sitting here is, of course, I'm a first time mother. So last year has been very special for me as I gave birth to a sweet little angel,
Oh,
and she recently turned 1.
okay.
So the last year of motherhood has been a journey full of learnings, emotions, and personal growth.
Hmm.
So yeah, I'll be sharing or talking more about my some of my experiences here today.
Absolutely,
Mhm.
absolutely. We totally get you, Neha. The first time motherhood, the journey of motherhood can be very stressful, especially for youngsters. I'm hearing that you're
Yes,
really young now.
yes,
And like, having the responsibility of the child, having responsibility of the family, and plus, being in Sweden, you have other lot of responsibility,
hmm.
other than, just handling the
Yes,
child.
of
I totally
course.
get you. And so, I'll just come to the first question for the podcast today.
Mhm.
Uh, how has, becoming a mother, changed your life or your sense of self, I would say?
Okay. That's something really nice to start with. Becoming a mother has changed everything about me. Literally, it changed my priorities. So before becoming a mother, it was already like it was all about myself. My
Mm-hmm.
it was my about my routine. It was about my space, my time, uh, how I will utilize my time. It was everything
Mm-hmm.
about me. But after that, it everything just shifted. Now everything naturally revolves around my baby. My schedule, my time isn't just mine.
Hmm.
It's all about my baby.
Absolutely.
So yeah,
Like taking care of the
yes,
child and all.
taking care of the child, and it 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 took a lot of time for me to understood that how would I handle this situation, or how I will I will be able to handle my baby, because for me it was new, and for her also it
Mm-hmm.
was new. Uh, she was new to this world, and
Mm-hmm.
I am the only one who understands her well.
Absolutely.
So it was very challenging, difficult at the times, when she wasn't sleeping. um, it was only me who can soothe her.
Hmm.
And
Has
yeah,
your mother helped you in some way?
yes, of
I'm sure
course.
all the mothers do,
Yes,
but
it was like great support from my mother and my husband.
okay.
Without them I couldn't just able to handle it at all.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
I get your point.
yeah. But definitely it made motherhood made me more softer in a ways.
Hmm.
Like I became more patient, more
Hmm.
emotional.
Hmm.
And the journey has been up, of very ups and downs. Like there
Hmm.
were days I felt it wouldn't you know
Survive, I would say.
I wouldn't survive, and how long I have to be in this phase,
Huh,
and when will this phase end? But
absolutely.
yeah,
I could just feel you right now. You're so nervous, like even
yes,
speaking about it, it makes you, nostalgic, I would say.
but yeah, somehow things change, and uh, we get used to each other. Like
Hmm.
for we get used to baby, and she also gets used to us.
Hmm.
We know each other well day by day.
Absolutely.
Mm.
Absolutely. I
Mhm.
totally get you because, this phase of motherhood,
Mm.
has been extremely, stressful for, many
Yes,
mothers.
yes,
I'm sure,
yes.
who are going to be watching here today, the podcast series, I would say. So today, Neha, spoke about the journey of motherhood, the stress she faced, in this phase of life, and, how well did she cope. We will be coming shortly, with more such interesting episodes. So please stay tuned to our channel. And if you have any questions, please do feel free, to write down in the comment box.